Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 3084. Count substrings starting and ending with a given character. You are given a string S and a character C. Return the total number of substring of S that ends and start with C. Okay, first of all, we want to know about what is a substring, right? Okay, a substring is a string that can be formed from a string in an order and also a contiguous manner. So see here, for a string A, B, C, D, I can say these are all the possible substrings. See here, A, B, C, D individually and AB or CD or ABC, like that. We cannot write AC because inside that B is tipped, right? B is not taken, but it is what? It is contiguous, it is continuous. And also BA is continuous, but it is in not in order, right? So it is also not a substring. Hope you understand. Okay. Now let us see this example. See here, if S is equal to ABAD, then I can say if the C is A, that means what? The starting of a substring should be A and the ending of the substring should be also A. So I can say this is one of my possibility, right? A alone. Then another possibility is ABA. Yes. And then another possibility is this A alone. Can you understand this? Okay. Now, so totally how many, what is the output? It is 3. Okay. If I say A, B, A, D, A, what are the possible substrings I can say? I can say this A alone, then this A alone, then this A alone. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now, again, I can say this A and up to this A. Again, this A up to this A. Okay, fine. Now, again I can say this whole string is also a substring. This whole string is also a substring. So I can say this also. So totally how many, what is the output? The output is what? 6. See here, this blue color is 1, yellow color is 2, then red color is 3. Okay, so this is the problem statement. Okay, what is the logic behind it? Okay, we can you may think about the sliding window technique, right? You can think about sliding window technique. While solving myself also, I thought the sliding window technique, but it is much simpler than the sliding window technique. Just listen carefully. This is the best example for demonstrating this problem. See here, if A, B, A, D, A is a given example, then I can say this, observe this carefully. This A individually, this A individually, this A individually is a substring. So totally of 3. Okay, fine. Now I can say this A up to this A is 1. Then from this A to this A is another substring, right? So I can say 2. Okay. Then all over the string is also a substring which is starting from A and ending as A. Okay. So I can say +1. Okay, fine. Fine. Now if it has A, B, A, D, A, E, A. Now I can say this A, this A, this A and this A are individually what? A individual substring. Again, this A to this A, this A to this A, then this A to this A are 3 different substring. Okay, 3. Now again I can say from this A to the third A and second A to the fourth A is individual substrings, right? So 2. Again, at last, the whole string is a substring which has a starting as A and ending as A. Be careful, I am not telling A alone. I am just taking what? The C's character. Okay, C is a given character, right? Okay, now, so this indicates that like I am just taking 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, up to what? Up to this C's count, right? If see here A occurred how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I am writing what? 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to what? This is equal to 6. 10, right? 10. Can I understand this? Yes. And here, what is the answer? It will be 6. So I can say, I want to count how many characters are present in that. How many characters that are present which is equal to this C. I want to count. Then I want to apply what? Sum of n natural numbers. Okay. If take for example, the given string is A, B, A, D, A. How many A's are present here? If C is equal to A, they have given C as A, then how many A's are present? 3 A's. So just apply the formula like 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to here and here it becomes 4 and cancels 2, which is equal to 6. Can you understand this? This is what? This is sum of n natural numbers. N natural numbers formula. Can you understand this? Okay, fine. So, what is the time complexity and space complexity here? I can say my time complexity will be O of n and space complexity will be what? O of 1. It is what? I am directly thought to what? Optimal approach. But the brute force approach is what? Basically, we generate all possible substrings. Then we check whether the starting and ending of the substring is what? The target, this character. If then we can take that as well answer. So that's the basic brute force approach. And while brute force approach will have what is the time complexity and space complexity? The time complexity will be O of n square for generating all possible substrings, and space complexity will be what? O of 1. Fine. So this is the optimal. Let us see the code. Code is very, very small. See here, result is equal to 0 initially. Then for I in range of len of s, okay, if s of I is equal to c, which means what? The target character. Okay, then what should I do? I should increase my result plus 1. Then at last I am returning what? I am returning the sum of n natural numbers. That's it. Thank you.